Hey guys, welcome to our new video. We received so many comments about app not install problem. Today we will show you how to fix app not install problem in a minute. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell button. App not install problem actually happen for two reasons. If you have already that application in your device and you want to install mod version or unlock version, before installing the mod, delete the original application. Suppose I want to install the mod version of Among Us, but I didn't uninstall the original version. At that time I will face app not install problem. But if you are installing any application for the first time, then skip the first step. Number 2, turn off Play Protect option. On your Android phone or tablet, open Google Play Store. Then tap on menu. You can see Play Protect option. Click there. At the top right, settings options, open it. Now we can see two options here. Actually it detects third-party application and don't let you install directly. If you are willing to install any application, make sure these are safe. And later you can also turn on it. Let's install the application again. Yeah, it's working. Please, if you have any disturbance or any suggestion or any addition, please comment in the comment section.